Right, so if I go to the Files app now, open that, and then see on mine it says top left, it says Browse. Browse. So you should see this page. So it's everything that's on. It's the folders that are on your phone. So now if I plug in the device in the bottom, you should then see a red light on the unit to say it's charging. If you leave it a few seconds, you'll see a new one pops up. It's called Memo Queue. It might be called Memo Queue, it might be called Enduro. And from there, you can click on there. So you have a voice folder, and any recordings will be in there. I haven't made any recordings, so there's none showing. I press the wrong one. Go back, browse. So you can always check. Sometimes it doesn't show up straight away. Sometimes you have to unplug it and do it again. If I unplug Memory Queue, look, you'll see it disappear. Plug it back in again. So you can always be sure which one it is, because by removing it, it will go away. By plugging it back in, it should appear again. And again, you should be seeing with Enduro or the flash drive, you should be seeing a solid red light to say it's on charge. The other thing to note, the device needs to be switched off, otherwise it won't show up. In fact, if I do the same again, if I unplug it, turn it to record mode, and plug it back in again, I don't get a red light on the unit this time, and it won't show up because it's in record mode. So what I have to do is actually unplug it, switch it off, leave it for a few seconds. Hopefully that should be enough. So if we put it back in again, yeah, there's that quick recording mode just there. I don't get a red light on the unit this time, and it won't show up. Okay, so unplug that now. Actually, I'll delete this file. There you go.